Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad from Watch, and I'm back with another 5 best straps for this Seiko SRPC39, or better known as the Seiko Mini Turtle Blue, right? So the main idea or main reason why I do this kind of videos is so that you and watch fam out there can just have a different or have a new look every single day or every single week or every single month just by swapping out your straps. And here are just my suggestions, guys, on what I have based on what I have in my collection right now. So this is not necessarily the best for you, but still the best for me. And yeah, let's crack on with strap number 1. Oh, before we do that, let's just quickly give you a dimension of this particular piece. So this watch is quite a small and petite for a I think the best Seiko diver for a smaller wrist size. So the dimension is 42 millimeters from here to here, and a lug to lug of just about 43 millimeters from here to here, and a thickness of 13 millimeters and a lug width of 20 millimeters, right? So the first straps here is the this is a seat belt style straps that I've got from AliExpress. I think I've got from Lazada or Shopee. I can't really remember, but the same exact strap can also be purchased through AliExpress. So like I mentioned in my maybe previous videos, I mentioned that if it's possible, get this one not from AliExpress if you guys live in Malaysia, because generally AliExpress took quite a while to get to Malaysia, right? So that is how it works, right? So this featuring the seat belt material in two pass style. I don't think they produce a single pass. Yeah, I might be wrong, but still, this is what I bought. Quite soft and nice and supple material here for a strap that costs under $10 shipped all the way from China to Malaysia. This is definitely a bargain, right? So we have a brush finishing here, and of course brush finishing on the keepers as well. So the stitching is in silver, and we have this silver colorway here. And the one thing that I really like about this particular strap is that how you can see that how small the buckle here. Sometimes I don't really like those quite chunky buckles, so I prefer something a lot more subtle than this one. And yeah, it is the most important thing is the strength of this strap, right? So before we strap on this particular watch, let's do a quick wristwatch check. Today I am wearing my Sanma Tan SN007G. So this is a BSH, or Brotherhood of Submariner homage version, where we have that unique dial there. So I've done a full review for this particular watch, and also the strap that is on, which is this Uni-Dive fully adjustable waffle strap, right? So let's just take it off. Taking off this thing is quite tricky, guys, because you have to you have to bend the strap like so to release the stopper, and yeah, we are good to go, right? So let's put it on the wrist. Let's see if I can put a NATO strap on camera really fast here. Okay, so I'm on the 4th hole, so you can see that there are still tons of materials left. People with maybe up to 8 or 8.5 inch wrist can still use this particular strap, because you have quite a lot of materials available for you to tuck it back in, right? So a combination of blue and silver color, this shiny silver color, looks really nice on this particular watch, the Seiko SRPC39 Mini Turtle. And yeah, I just love how this looks on my wrist. So what do you guys think? Okay, so let's go to strap number 2. Okay, so still in the world of double pass straps. So just now we have the double pass strap from AliExpress. So this one is actually came from lovewatchstraps.com, another company based in Singapore. But I just love this the design of this particular straps, because one is, of course, the material used is almost the same with that one, but this is a lot softer. I don't know how they do it, but it feels a lot softer compared to that one. And the design of the end tip of the strap, you can see that it is featuring a V shape, alright, so with these circular holes, that's good. And we have a love logo, right? So that Luffy logo from the anime One Piece. Very nice. And you can see that on this particular strap you have these floating keepers. It's quite long here. You can see that there is a huge space here. It is this design is going to make sure that this buckle will sit at the bottom of the wrist instead of this part of your wrist, right? So I will show you guys later on, right? So floating keeper, fits keeper, and with a love sign logo brush buckle there. And when you put it on the wrist, you can see that the buckle position, right? So let's just try to do this without struggling too much and waste your time. Okay, so doing this behind the camera is quite tricky, guys, right? Right, so I am on the 5th hole here, and you can see that the buckle is on right edges at the center of my under wrist, right? So I have still tons of materials left, so people with maybe up to 8 or 8.5 inch wrist can still use this strap. And the great thing about this particular strap is that I don't really need to fold it in or fold it like so. So what I can do is just slide this keeper, and boom, you have got a not really that neat and tidy, but I just love that I don't really need to fold the end of the strap. So that kind of works for me. It might not for you, it might not work for you, it depends on yourself. But if you want to fold it in, you can just slide it back in like so, and just fold it, tuck it back in. So yeah, depending on your style and situation. So when you do this, so you're not gonna have that. All right, so very nice solution from slavewatchstrap.com. So that is why they call it deluxe NATO, and I believe this is one of the best high quality of best design seatbelt straps out there. So that is just this is one, you know, for me it's the best, but you know what, maybe you have something else that you like, right? So this is what I think is the best, right? So this is strap number 2. Let's go to strap number 3, which is this. I don't really know what to call this. Highly adjustable NATO strap from springmate.shop, or it's springmate.com. I think it's springmateshop.com. I can't remember, but yes, it's from Springmate. This thing is from Texas. I think the guy is called Austin. So they sent me this strap a few years back to test out. And the unique point about this particular strap is that we have this adjustable system that I will show you later how to use, and a movable keeper here and a fixed keeper down here, and it features, there's no holes on the straps. Yeah, but that is good. All right, so I'll show you later how to put it on if I can still remember. All right, so of course it comes with a few different color options. I think they have gray, red, and blue, black, I think so. Of course I choose a blue color for this particular piece. So how you wanted to put it on is that, so you have to practice a bit. So put it slide it into the first hole here on the top hole, right? I hope it can focus. So you have to slide it on like so. Okay, so that is good, focusing. So and then you have to pull this buckle here. I hope you can see that, and slide the end of the strap through the keepers, right, like so, and make sure that it doesn't fall on. So if you think that it is a bit too long, so you can just slide it a little bit more from during this time, and boom, you have got a super adjustable NATO strap. How cool is that, right? So I don't know what, guys. So other than, I think Springmate made this system first, and after that it is being followed by being copyright or being copied by cheapestnetostraps.com. So yeah, very nice solution if you don't want to have holes on your straps. It depends on you how you want to use your strap, but this is a genius solution in my opinion, right? So this is strap number 3, and let's go to strap number 4, which is this. I can't remember what they call this, shark fin. I think bluesharkstraps.com call this shark fin straps, maybe because of that zigzag pattern here that maybe looks like a shark fin. But yeah, this is featuring a single pass material, so it's a bit thick at about 1.4 millimeters or 1.5, can't remember, but yeah, still very thick, but still soft and supple, so that is really good. Of course, the Springmate also was a single pass. This one is also a single pass, and we have those rectangular style holes here, and it doesn't really have that adjustability here. You can't really shorten the length of the strap, but it doesn't really matter because yeah, the holes are quite close together, so you don't really have that you know, a bit too long, a bit too tight, or a bit too loose situation. And of course we have a movable keeper here with that sign blue shark logo, right? So I try to put it on the wrist on camera for you guys to see how I am struggling sometimes behind the camera. Okay, so alright, so yeah, I am on the, I can put it on the fourth. It's going to be a bit looser. Yeah, let's just put it on third hole. You can see that there are still tons of materials left, and you know what, I just love this. I think they call it midnight blue. Yeah, midnight blue colorway. So yeah, very nice color. It matches the that metal or aluminum insert and the dial of this Seiko Mini Turtle. Right, so let's just tuck it in, tuck it outwards, and you can see that I am struggling to put it back inside the hole because the material is quite a thick one. Okay, let's just pull it in a bit more. Yep, we are good to go. So very shiny material here. Yeah, I just I just love how this thing looks on my wrist, right? So very nice look on this Seiko baby turtle. Right, so this is strap number 4, and let's go to strap number 5, which for me is the best canvas or canvas style strap in my opinion for a dive watch. But this is not canvas, this is made by from Cordura. Maybe that is one type of canvas that is available, but it is very super duper soft and no, super duper strong straps material that you could all use for your watch, dive watch, right? So it features this single pass again, so it's quite thick though, at about 2 millimeters in thickness. So do mind that because this strap has this stainless steel rivets here, so when you slide through the spring bars, it might scratch your watch here at this particular part. So take out the spring bar, slide, put the strap first, and then put the spring bar back. And in some certain situation, you might have to use a bent spring bar to put it on your wrist, depending on the watch design, right? So yeah, it features this blue or navy color material, Cordura material. They come in, I think, khaki color, black color, and also in a military green color. I just choose this blue color because I think it matches the blue dial of the Seiko Mini Turtle. I'm so sorry guys, it's not baby turtle, it's Mini Turtle. I'm so sorry. And yeah, it's quite long, right? So we have a brush Zulu style keepers here with a sign Vario on top, right? So let's see how it fits on my 6.75 inch wrist, and let's see how many materials left should you choose to get this particular watch, right? I am on the third hole, so I can just slide into the keepers here. So people with you know what, maybe 8 to 8.5 inch wrist can still use this particular strap. So we have quite a lot of balance left here. So I can, what I do is I don't bend it in, I just tuck it properly like so. So yeah, I just don't really like bending my straps, right? So this is how it looks, and simply for me, this is easily the best strap material that I would use for my dive watches. Good job Vario for producing such an innovative high quality product. Right, so what do you guys think of my 5 selection for this Seiko SRPC39 Mini Turtle? So if you guys like this strap suggestion, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more future video reviews such as this one, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Stay safe. Bye bye.